In this video, Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how I painted and weathered this lovely Hawker Hurricane you already know from previous videos. Some time ago, I prepared a very detailed video showing techniques on undersides, so now let's start with upper surfaces. This Hurricane was assembled from two different planes and the engine section is painted in different colors. As usual, I began with a black base and applied dark earth with thin models to create a marbled look. As this plane was extremely weathered, I used airbrush stencils to create more dynamic tones with lighter color, and then smoothed it out with the base coat. Now I followed the same steps with green. Next step was to paint main camo. I painted wings with extra dark sea gray and, well, I noticed that colors in the instruction sheet are reversed. Why arm a hobby? Oh, why? All right, let's hit Control Z and paint the model again, this time the right way. Okay then, what was I talking about? Oh yes, extra dark sea gray. Again, after the base coat, I applied contrasting highlights and then added additional thin layers of paint, trying not to overpaint the shading. In the last step, I did the same with dark slate gray and additionally added some deep shadows with smoke gray paint. After the flat clear coat, I added many scratches with Prismacolor pencils. It looks heavy again, but please look at the photos of the real aircraft to see what I mean. Now let's jump to painting the underside. On my channel, you can watch a very detailed video about this step, so here we'll just go over it very quickly. In short words, the techniques are the same, but here I also added an earth tone focused on the belly, where I expect the most dirt. Make sure not to completely cover the earth tone. After painting, it should still show through the underside color. You can now see the before and after comparison. Don't be afraid of the result, it will fade in later steps. As my next video will be dedicated to applying decals on this kit, here I'll just focus on their beauty treatment. First, a combination of smoke gray and black to add shadows and blend the decal into the rest of the surface. Then, the pencil work over a matte varnish. Then comes oil work. I used Tamiya panel line accent gray with a brush dampened in thinner. And more Tamiya's accent colors over a satin surface to add dark streaks and stains. For heavier grime, I use weathering paste from Mr. Hobby. It's a thick texture paste, great for making clumps of dirt on vehicles, for example. Thinned down, it looks like splashed mud. Apply only a little with a damp brush and don't overdo as it intensifies when drying. And finally, the wash. Since many layers naturally darken the panel lines, the wash is very subtle. I used a ready washes from AK Interactive and Ammo. If applied on an at least semi-glossy surface, you can easily wipe it with a dry paper towel. I used GX 100 Clear Gloss from Mr. Hobby. And finally, a little love and weathering for wheels and propeller. The final result is sealed with a satin varnish. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.